You find me today at Wigan Wargate Station, also known as the Wigan, and I've got a question to ask. Did you know there used to be a secret wartime station not far from Headbolt Lane station? Neither did I, to be honest, until I saw this yesterday. But today I'm headed to Headbolt Lane to have a look at the new railway station and also find this secret wartime disused station as well. So I'm waiting for the next train now, and let's head to Headbolt Lane. So we have now made it to Merseyrail and Northern's newest railway station. This is Headbolt Lane, operated by Merseyrail. I'm coming on the northern side of Headbolt Lane because that's where I came off from. But the one thing I noticed straight away is how long this platform is. It can easily take 4 coaches, but I reckon it could take 6 coaches as well. The interesting thing is beyond this fence right behind me here as well, because behind the fence is a freight only line, which these trains come off Knowsley Freight Terminal at Dale Lane Junction. But Dale Lane Junction is also the line that took trains off the Liverpool and Bury Railway and saw trains head to that secret wartime station, which I mentioned earlier. So the northern side platform is actually platform 3 at Headbolt Lane because it does have 3 platforms. And on the northern bound platform, all you got is your basic facilities, your waiting shelters, benches, help points and dot matrix screens. But if you want to know where platform 1 and 2 is, it's actually in this direction over here. That's the Mersey side of Headbolt Lane station right there. So I'm now on the Merseyrail platforms at Headbolt Lane station, and it does have 2 platforms on this side. And the facilities on this side are basically the same as you got on the northern side. Your benches, help points, dot matrix screens and waiting shelters. However though, I did notice a few more things on the Merseyrail side than I did on the northern side. First of all, it's got bin bags. I did not notice any bin bags on the northern platform. And also on the Merseyrail side, it does have a station building with a ticket office and a ticket machine inside. But it's a very spacious station building as well, very spacious indeed. And that station building, honestly, I actually do like it, to be honest. It's really quite nice. So outside Headbolt Lane station, you've got these lovely seats here. I think they're made of stone, to be honest, but I'm not quite sure, but they are lovely seats that you can sit outside the station. And just right here as well is an indoor cycle storage where you can park your bike at Headbolt Lane station as well. Also outside Headbolt Lane station, it does have an interchange with the buses here as well. Unlike Thanet Parkway, these bus stops are served by buses. But shall we leave Headbolt Lane station now to find this secret wartime disused station, which opened in the 1940s. Now, Google Maps did say it was a 20-minute walk, but unfortunately it's a half-an-hour walk. So I'm going to have to walk it down for the next half an hour to find this disused railway station. So behind me here is Eddie McCarthy's playing fields, and I think they're football grounds, to be honest, but I'm not here to see that, because close by to that is this building right here. It's an Amazon warehouse. Unfortunately, the disused station I want to see is on that site, so I can't actually get access to it. But the station I'm on about was so secret that it was not advertised for trains actually calling there. It was unadvertised so they could keep it a secret. Instead, the trains actually went to a place called Simonswood. But the station that I'm on about is called Kirkby Royal Ordnance Factory, and it opened on the 9th of December 1940 by the London, Midland and Scottish Railway, but it closed to passengers in March 1946, and the station closed completely in 1951. But the reason that station was built was to help during the Second World War when they built weapons and ammunition there, because it was mainly used by factory workers and not regular passengers. To be honest, I'm absolutely knackered. That walk back from the disused secret wartime station was a trek, to be honest. But I'm back at Headbolt Lane station. But we're going to take a ride to the station better pronounced right before the comments go crazy, Kirkby. And we're going to take this Merseyrail service which is behind me. Now the Class 777 that you see is actually on battery power, because between Kirkby and Headbolt Lane, the trains actually run on battery and not on third rail. So it's a new technology they're trialing on the Merseyrail network. But anyway, I'm going to head on this train now because it will leave in a second, and let's go to Kirkby. So we have now reached Kirkby station. It's just got the one platform now instead of two. The platforms that were used by Northern services is long since disused, but unfortunately that was the original station when Kirkby first opened in 1848. So technically in 2023 the station's kind of been relocated, even though it hasn't, because the platform currently standing on was actually opened in 1977. Now the problem with Headbolt Lane is at the moment it's got an hourly service with Merseyrail trains. So it's the same from Kirkby to Headbolt Lane, it's only hourly service. So these units right here, the Class 507s, can't go to Headbolt Lane because they only run on third rail. But anyway, taking the Class 777 from Headbolt Lane to Kirkby was very interesting on its own batteries. Felt quiet as well, to be honest, really quiet. So just got a quick question to ask. If it's actually pronounced Kirkby, how could the station signs pronounce it as Kirkby? That's better. Anyway, I'm going to drop a video right here. Feel free to give that a click. People on screen now, YouTube channel members and Patreon supporters, thank you for supporting the channel. I've been SimOnTrains. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you on board from Simon Express for a new journey down the line.